This is your diva on duty, and today we are discussing about purse essentials. Yes, so this purse is from Hot Curry. I don't know if you can see that written on it, but that's okay. It's beautiful color and quite a lot of things can be, stocked up here. So this is my bag, and I am going to divide it into two sections, like the primary essentials and the secondary essentials that you need to have in your bag, in your purse, in your backpack, or whatever. So let's begin. Okay guys, so the first thing that I have in my bag is this reusable mask. It's pretty in color, almost same like my bag's color, and it's reusable, so it's sustainable, and that's our goal for the coming year, this year and coming year. Yeah, so this is our reusable mask. Second that you need to have in your bag is your keys, of course, your house keys, car keys, whatever. This is connected to my bag, so I have to show you like this. This is my keys. So the second thing will be your key. Third thing that I like to carry is a notepad. Very pretty. It's from Miniso. Yes. So like a compact notepad which you can, keep in your bag, in any kind of bag. So you get that size of notepad. And whenever I think of a content or of a concept or anything that comes up in my mind, I note down it here so that I don't forget it later. Any important task or to-do list, everything is inside this. Okay guys, so talking about notepad, we do have a pen with us to of course write in the notebook. It's very handy. You should keep it in your bag, whenever, especially when you are going to a bank or a hospital and you need to fill out forms, and then you are searching for a pen and you don't have it, and you have to ask from others for it, and it can really uncomfortable. Not everyone is friendly around us, so yes, a pen is a must-have. Third thing that's coming out of my bag is a scrunchie. If you're feeling hot or something, just tie your hair. This is especially for girls. Very important, very handy. And you should always carry a scrunchie made of satin or silk, so that it doesn't damage your hair that much. So yeah, if you carry a elastic or that plastic rubber bands, you get a lot of hair fall. You can have a lot of hair fall. So scrunchie, satin one. Now next thing that I have in my bag is my sunglasses. So this sunglass is from Forever 21. This is a cat eye. So this is the cat eye. I love to wear it. It looks like this. You can see my ring light. Okay, so it looks like this. I think it's really chic. It's from Forever 21. I think 500 bucks or something. So very inexpensive. And I have one more thing in my sunglass case, which is this very important thing for all you ladies out there. Very important. It's a safety pin. So if you get a wardrobe malfunction or something like that, you can fix it on your own. Safety pin, very, very, very important. I'm gonna keep that back. Okay, next thing. By the way, all of these things comes under primary essentials. The secondary essentials comes after this, which I'm gonna show you later. So stay until the end. Next thing that I have in my bag is sunscreen, which you should all have. This is a medicated sunscreen, and it's called Suncoat, and it has SPF 30 in it, and it's for around 425 bucks. So it's for a skin type like mine, like the combination skin type, so it's good for them. Yeah, So sunscreen, any kind of sunscreen as per your skin type, you should definitely carry it in your bag. Next thing, of course, a charger. Because you know, smartphone these days, they drain their batteries really easily, and you need to have a charger for that. It's 2021, guys. We are always on our phones, let's face it. Next thing that I have in my bag is a toner or a face mist, and you know, especially in summers, it's quite good to carry. You can just, it's from Good Baba. So it's from Good Vibes, by the way, and it's a rose gold toner. You just open it and spray it and you feel refreshed. Your face looks refreshed. So yes, it's for that. And I think you can spray it on your makeup as well. Even if you have makeup, you can spray it. Right now I'm not gonna take that risk because my makeup is not waterproof, so let's not damage it. Now next thing that I have is my wallet. Of course, wallet is, you need to have your wallet in your purse, guys. This is, I shouldn't be telling you this, it's IQ. So wallets and some cash if you need it. By the way, this is a gift from one of my friends and it's quite cute. I love the color combination, which is black and gold, and it has this small gold leaf in it, so it's quite nice and I love it. It opens like this, and then you have more sections, and then you have a separate compartment for your money and stuff, which I've not kept. So I'm broke, as you can all see. So you have a wallet. And by the way, if you need any if you need links to any of these things that I have, you can comment down and I'll share the link. Next I have a perfume. I'm someone who is crazy. What's the... So guys, that was a notification from Woot on my smartphone, and they have such loud notifications. I have kept it in silent now, so I'm really sorry. As I was saying, this is a Body Shop perfume and it's actually a hair and body mist, not a perfume, hair and body mist. You can spray it in your hair as well and your body, which I'm gonna do now. Yes, and of course, if you're spraying it in your hair, please spray it from a distance. Yeah, not like this. So yes, it's coconut and yuzu, and it's for $14.95, 150 ml bottle. So yes, this is the body and hair mist. Next up, we have your IDs. You need to carry your IDs in your purse. Of course, no brainer. Then we have smartphone, your phone. Of course, nobody these days forget to take their phone everywhere. So yes, you need to keep the phone with you. And I have two phones actually. So this is the one, a Samsung J8 Pro, I believe. Yes, it's that. And the other phone that I have is the one that I'm shooting from. It's iPhone 11. By the way, guys, there's a huge discount on iPhones, right? You're getting iPhone 12 at I don't know, 45, I guess. It's crazy. So yes, phones. Then of course, your AirPods. I'm someone who loves to hear a podcast and music while I'm, going from one place to another. And if I'm in a cab or an auto or flight, So yes, AirPods are very important. This is from Petron. It's very inexpensive, just 11-1200 bucks. And yeah, its performance is really nice. I don't have any complaints from it until now. So Petron earbuds. So yeah, next thing that I have in my bag is this compact mirror. This is also from Miniso. Miniso has quite cute products and they're really inexpensive. So that's why I have a lot of stuff from Miniso. It's one of my favorite brands. Now it opens up like this. There are two mirrors, circle and square. Next up we have a mini comb. Very important, especially if you're driving a scooty and you have to wear helmet, and then you get down from your scooty after a long ride and your hair is like jungly. So to avoid that, we should carry a mini comb. Any kind of mini comb or detangler is okay. I think I should also carry it, right? Mini comb. Then next we have hand sanitizer. Very important. A compact hand sanitizer. So it's from Studio West. So it's a brand from West Side. And it's a peach flavor. So hand sanitizer, very important, and it's just for 49 rupees, you guys, and it smells incredible. So hand sanitizer is a must. This is for 300 rupees. This is a hand cream from Innisfree and it smells quite nice. I think it's little expensive for, for just how much it is, 30 ml of hand cream, but I bought it just for its smell because I am someone who is obsessed with good smell. So yes, wow, I'm gonna put some on my hand because I want to smell good. So yes, hand cream is also done. Let's see what's next. Next up we have lip balm. It's called Chaptix and it's a medicated lip balm. It's for 160 rupees. Very affordable, in budget, and it works quite well, especially if you have, very dry lips like mine. If I don't drink enough water, it gets dried very bad and you can just see it from a distance. So this is something I've been using and it's been quite helpful, and boys and girls both can use it, so that's the best. That's the best part. We are done with almost all our primary essentials. Some of them are left, actually 2 of them are left. So next we have mints, of course, very important. You never know when you need it. Just kidding, guys, just kidding. So these are peach mints and these are sugar free. 14 gram of quantity for rupees 120. So yes, I'm gonna have one. And it's over. It's over, you guys. I'm gonna refill that. So mints, yes. And then the last thing, very important for all you ladies out there, your pads, your panty liners, or your tampons, menstrual cups, whatever you use. So sometimes accident happens and you may need it at an unexpected time, so keep it in your bag, very handy. So those were all the primary essentials that we have. Sorry, I disconnected that. I don't know why it's ringing, still on silent and still ringing. picked it up. Hello? Hi. No problem, no problem. But I am little busy, so can I call you back in 15? Yeah, bye. Okay. Okay, so primary essentials are over. My bag is empty. Some slips and bills fell down, so it's okay. Now coming to our secondary essentials. So I have named it as secondary essentials because, as the name suggests, it's your choice if you want to carry it or not. I'm someone who carries my entire house, entire home in my bag. I like if I have all the things with me, it makes me feel confident, and that's the reason why I have such a huge bag and so many things inside it. I can basically live out of this bag. Next, the first item in our secondary list is a water bottle. So yes, this is also again from Miniso, very cute and such a nice color, no? So this is a water bottle and should carry it to keep yourself hydrated, especially for people like me who always forget to drink water, and then I have a lot of acne and blemishes and dried lips. So yes, water bottle can be very, very helpful. Next, some snacks. So this I got from Indigo's flight. This is their nut case. I like to carry my dry fruits in this. Right now I have almonds. Almonds are one of my favorites, so you should definitely carry some snacks with you that you do not binge on fast foods and fried food. Very handy. Next, a book. If you're someone who likes to read, then this is for you guys. And this book is How to Win Friends and Influence People. It's by Dale. I cannot pronounce the surname. I am so sorry. But it's from Dale, and it's a bestseller. I heard about it on YouTube, so that's the reason I got it from Amazon, and it's just for 150, I believe, 150, 160. So this is a book, and this is my bookmark. This is from Crossword, and it says, when I start a new book, I like to choose the right bookmark. A slip of paper won't do. So this is something that I got free of cost from Crossword. So yes, quite nice book. Next up, we have a makeup pouch. This makeup pouch is from Sugar. So a makeup pouch where you can keep your basic makeup things like your compact or your lipstick, the current lipstick that you're using, that one, and yes, basically things like that you can keep in this makeup pouch, so that when you have to rush to a party from an office or back to an office from a party, this is going to be very, very handy. So a makeup pouch. So guys, next up we have some sachets of green tea. It's from Tetley. It's with added vitamin C and lemon and honey flavor. So yes, this can be quite handy if you are having a long day and you just want to relax for a while. You can grab a cup of green tea and good to go for rest of the day. So it's quite handy, and it's an important essential in my bag. Next up we have some Band-Aid, because you never know when you can need it. It's a good thing to carry in your bag. I highly recommend it, and it's a medicated adhesive plaster. So Band-Aid, Why did I read it? I don't know. It's a bandit, and you know, especially for girls, if you're walking in high heels or a new pair of heels or a new pair of shoes. For guys also, you can get those blisters and cuts, so it can be very handy for that situation. Yes, so that's all the stuff that I have and that I wanted to show you. There are two things that I do not have right now with me, but you guys should carry it. Will be peppermint spray to keep to keep yourself safe, and it's something boys and girls both should carry because safety is not only for girls, and yeah, it's one of the important things that should be there in your bag. And second is tissue papers. Yes, tissue papers. Mine is over, so that I couldn't show you, but you should have it in your bag just to damp your skin maybe, or clean up. It's multi-purpose, so you can use it for several things. One of the most crucial thing to be in your bag. Mine is over. I have to refill it like right now. So yes, those were all the essentials that you should have in your bag. Let me know if this was helpful, and let me know if I missed something. Is there something that you guys carry and that I don't have it with me and that I should carry in future? Please let me know about it in the comment section. Also, like, share and subscribe to this video. That would be very, very helpful. I need to reach that 1,000 followers, so please support me, and you guys can follow me on Instagram as well. The link is in the description box. What else? I think I'm done with all the stuff. Now I have a mess around me and I need to clear that. You guys can go and enjoy yourselves. Bye bye.